Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change a Facebook video thumbnail 2021. Okay, so I'm here on my Facebook profile right now, and last week I uploaded a video. And so let's scroll through and grab the video. It was a vlog. Yeah, here it is. It was a vlog of a photo shoot that we did. And I want to edit the video thumbnail. So what you want to do is click on the three dots, go to Edit Post, and then hover over the video and click on Edit. And then you'll see Change Thumbnail. They're going to give you three different options. I'm going to click on Upload an Image because I want to do a custom one. So I'll click on the middle one. And then you're going to upload your image. I'll just click this and find it on my computer. Okay, so this was a photo shoot that we did. So I'm in the photo shoot photos. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Alright, so there's the image that I just uploaded. Click Save. And then there it is right there. And then you're going to have to click Save again. And so when I scroll back down on my profile, there is the photo right there. And then it starts up. So that is how you change your video thumbnail on Facebook. If I was able to help you out, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video.